at the end of week 1 of stage 160 grits and this rock tumbler for this rose quartz from the Hogg mine. So I'm going to pull the barrel and we're going to open her up and see what we got. Okay, these actually came out pretty good after 1 week in the tumbler. When they're wet, they're almost clear all the way through. And this is the rose quartz from the Hogg mine. Got some cloudy spots on some of them. But I think we're going to put these in stage 2, see what happens. Worst it happens, and when I get down to stages, if it's still a damaged stone, I can always pop it back in the single stage, or stage 1 with another group of rocks. So we're going to set up my rock tumbler for stage 2. Okay, so I'm going to throw the rocks back in the tumbler here after I've cleaned it all out. So we don't have any grit from the previous stage in there. Okay, we got a little over half in there. So we're going to take some of these. These are rock tumbling media I got off Amazon. They're ceramic. So then right there, I got about 2/3. I think I lost some. Try it again, the rocks, fill up the voids there. A bit more in. Top back on that sucker. We got stage 2. Step 2. Put 4 of these in. This is also bought off Amazon. Water. Lid back on, back in the tumbler, and we'll turn it on. And it's going again.